Yes.
What's in the it should be.
Yeah, that's what the information.
Yeah. What I have to tell? Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Just leave. เขาจะมีน้ำยาล้างน้ำยาเช็ดเนี่ยใช้เช็ดเฉพาะตัวที่เป็นเหล็กได้เท่านั้นเพราะว่ามันมีส่วนผสมของโซเวตพวกนี้เช็ดไม่ได้น้ำมันจะมีน้ำยาจีบมันเลยครับผมเช็ดวาล์วเช็ดอะไรได้แต่ห้ามเช็ดสี
Okay, I wanted to show you one last thing, and that is if you open up this one, you see all the pneumatics. So here, underneath, the input is there, and here you have all the switches of air.
Okay.
So the PC is in control. The PC is talking to each of these valves, and he say open, close.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the complete air. Yeah.
So
Control.
this machine is controlled by PC, not PLC.
Indeed.
Okay.
It's a complete PC operating system. The benefit of that one is that if we are calling in by remote support, we can control everything.
Okay.
You do not need to go. A PLC is a separate issue, and now we can control everything.
And what is this support?
That's it.
Option.
Yeah.
Okay. And how to connect to the remote control, remote service?
We have on the back side of the machine, we have, of course, the power supply.
Okay.
Yeah. The power supply. The blue one is air supply.
Okay.
And this one is phone modem.
Remote service.
Yeah. But we can do it by modem. Or we can do it just by internet, because the PC we can just hook up into the network.
Okay.
And then we can set up a VPN connection, and then we have straight through the internet. As for transport, there are here as well in this box some eyes.
Okay.
Yeah, that you can lift.
Yeah.
You can screw them in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can lift each corner up.
Yeah.
Where you can screw it in, and then you can ice it. Okay. Now coming to real operation. As I said, everything is operated by PC. You switch it on by a key, and then you come out in this screen. Yeah? The password that you need, it's not GSE, but it's GSA.
GSA.
Yeah? GSA. Remember that one.
Okay. Just only for this machine, for all of the machine. Okay. The customer not allowed to change the password.
No.
Okay.
If, then we should be informed.
Okay.
They can do, but then we have similar with IP address, computer names. They change the name of the PC. We have difficulties later in the later stage to give support.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Normally, if it is a normal operation, the program will start itself automatically. In this case, because this is demo, and the system is not communicating with balance, pneumatic island, etc., you click on this icon, the IMS demo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Demo.
And then you can log in as operator or as administrator. I will advise log in as administrator, and the login code is admin, the same. Yeah. 2 times admin, enter, and it will start.
What is different from the operator and the administrator?
I can show. If you go in File, Security, log in again. If you go in Operator, you have a screen which you are not allowed to go into anything else.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah? So you cannot access window programs, and you can do nothing else except escape again, and then log in as admin.
So admin is more authorized to do things.
Yeah.
Okay.
So as administrator, you are also able to switch off. As operator.
Okay. So admin is just admin.
Yeah.
And password is admin too.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I will show one more time. A-D-M-I-N, and here as well, A-D-M-I-N. Then, in most cases, what I'm going to show customers is only 3 basic steps. Step 1 is dispensing a bucket of ink, yeah, which will go to the print machine. Step 2 is when I'm finished with my print job and I want to carry back my returning, my leftover, and I need to do something with that one, put it in the warehouse. And the third step is to reuse that ink. So if you go to those 3 steps, that's more or less 90% where the system has been used. Now, how to do so? You click on dispense button. Then you have a screen where first you see the blinking at formula, so that you need the formula. You can control by F9 the list of all the recipes which are inside. I'm always using the red recipe because I know it's a demo program. I know what's behind, so that you're not running into any kind of difficult problems. Because other ones, like here, green with manual, blue with external, no stock control, will show you specific functions. So if you do not want to come into troubles by clicking on somewhere, yeah, use the red one.
Okay.
Click on red and you see that he's asking for the quantity that you want to have. Yeah? You can also see what is really inside this recipe. So each individual component based on parts percentage. So if I key in, let's say 5 kilogram.
Okay.
Yeah? I can confirm by F9.
F9, F8.
F8, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
This I'm going to skip. I will come back on this one later.
Okay.
Escape? No. At this moment he's asking, put an empty container on the balance. Yeah? The balance is not communicating now. So in the demo, we type in 1. That's for the system assigned, it's the empty weight, 1 kilogram. We are checking in real life if this bucket is there.
But I didn't get why we have to put 1.
Okay. In real life, you just pull the system out, put a bucket on, an empty one. At that moment, he is measuring the bucket weight. And the system say there is a bucket, because there's a kilograms are high, but it is not above this amount, so I know it's empty.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you are allowed to get a proceed. In the demo, because we do not have the communication, we just said an empty bucket is 1 kilogram.
Okay.
Yeah. So I say demo scale 1 kilogram, and then he said, okay, that's good. So I can continue. That's the first thing I do. And at that moment, he is dispensing. You can see action by flashing, target weight 1 kilo, actual weight of the balance. You can see roughly where he is coming, and when it's coming in tolerance, you can see that it's reaching 0. Even when it is inside the tolerance, he's trying to reach the 0. So
doesn't mean what is the exactly meaning of the tolerance? The tolerance of what?
The tolerance, how accurate he will dispense this component. Yeah, we have an accuracy of 1 gram or 1%.
Okay.
Which means if I am in small quantities, 1 gram is applicable. When I'm dispensing of one component, only 5 kilo, then the accuracy is...
Yeah. Okay.
I can click on F6 and then I see the recipe. The green flags are already been dispensed. Okay. The white means I'm busy with that one, and that means I have requested weight and real dispense weight.
Okay.
There could be a difference. As long as it is within the tolerance, they will come green.
Okay. So this is the amount of the ink is filling according to the recipe.
Yeah.
Okay.
At that moment, when he's finished, he said, do you want to print the label? If I confirm, yes, I will get the label.